Hi guys, so today we are going to learn how to make these cat toys. As you can see, they have some cool mesh strings on them, some ribbons, and a little bell that cats go wild for. There's a little bell. So I'm going to teach you how to make these. So in your kit, everybody should have a stick, actually two. I did two per kit, so 2 sticks, but for each one you'll just need one, a string, a little string, the little cat bell, some mesh, and some ribbon and electrical tape. Everyone's kit is a little bit different, so your ribbon may be different colors than this. Your ribbon may be really long and you may have to cut it into strips. I've already pre-cut mine into the sizes that we will need to make the cat toys. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is find your little bell and take the string and lace it through the bell. And we are going to put that so it's at the very middle of the string, or the most middle that you can, centered just like this. So you then take a piece of electrical tape and cut yourself off a strip. And you're going to tape your bell to your stick. So you hold the string up to the stick and put the bell like close to the top like this. And you're just gonna take your tape, it can be a little tricky at first, and stick it right near the top. Oops. Right near the top of the stick. So it will look like that. So then you just take your tape and start to wrap it at a little bit of an angle down. Now at this point you'll have string here. I would just leave it for now. We're going to be taping the other things on, and then at the end you can decide to just have the tape up here, or you can do what I did with this one and tape all the way down. So we have this taped on, so next we will tape on the pieces of mesh. I did one on each side, so we'll start with this purple, and I put it on the side of the bell here and kind of hold it. If you need help, you might want to ask somebody to hold it for you. It might be a little bit easier doing it with 2 hands rather than 1. But once you have it taped on like this, you just start twisting it around, and you can twist it up or down just to get that piece on there. And we want to go all the way to the top. So now we have 2 things taped on just like that. So the next thing we're going to do is tape on our other mesh to the other side. So we're going to cut another strip of electrical tape and do it to the other side. So this time I'm going to start at the top. And the nice thing about electrical tape is it's kind of stretchy, so you can really make it do what you want it to do. So we're going to tape that all around like that. So now what your toy should look like is this. Next thing we're going to do is put on the ribbon. So with the ribbon, you can do it underneath, on top, on the sides, that's up to you. I did this one with all the ribbons on the bottom because I like that the cats can see the bell. So, but it's up to you how you want to do it. So for this, we're also going to do it with the ribbon on the bottom. So I'm going to turn it over so my bell's on top, and I'm going to hold my piece of ribbon, and I'm just going to again start taping it and twisting around all the way so that my piece of ribbon is covered. And the next I'm going to do the same thing with the other 2 pieces of ribbon. So there's another piece. Tape this one around. Like I said, when you twist it, if you twist it at a little bit of an angle, that will help it to go down the stick. So there we go. And I'm going to do my last piece of ribbon. Like I said, each kit's a little bit different, so you may have 2 pieces of ribbon per stick, 3, 4 maybe. That's completely up to you and what ribbons you have in your kit. So here's the last ribbon. Again, I'm doing this at the bottom. And I'm going to go around and around and around so that it's covered. Perfect. So now this is what it looks like. So if you choose to keep it like this, what I would do is cut this little piece of string off so the cats don't get it. I, like I said, liked to cover the whole stick. I feel like it's nicer to hold on to. So I'm just gonna take my electrical tape and I'm gonna take a big piece, and I'm not gonna cut it yet. And starting at the top and holding it at an angle, I'm just gonna go around and around and around at an angle. And I'm gonna do this all the way until I hit the bottom. Around and around and around. You'll see it's starting to go down. I'm gonna keep going. All the way down. And then when you get to the very bottom, just wrap it around in a straight line at the end. Snip your tape. And you're all set. You can save the rest of your tape because you'll have lots left to do for other projects. And like I said, if you want to donate it to get community service, just bring them back to the library.